and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne Britt and my background is I'm an esthetician, holistic therapist. My first passion is skincare and second passion is makeup. So without further ado, let's get into today's video, which I'm excited to eventually publish, which is about lashes. We will be trying on 3 different styles, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, a quick recap first. I've already did a review on lashes and we used the Lovely Lash. Now in that video I did apply mascara, because if you want to wear mascara you do apply it beforehand, but today I'm not wearing any. If at all, I will put underneath to do the thumbnail later, but I really wanted to try and see if it's easier without the mascara. Also, when I tried this one, this Lovely Lash is actually a very subtle look. It's just a wispy lash. This would actually be nice when you're not wearing any mascara and you want a natural look. For me, honestly, my lashes are actually longer than these naturally, so yeah, I wanted to try a bit more bolder ones. $24 each. It was actually on sale at the time. Now these ones might be a bit too dramatic for hooded eyes, but we're going to try. These ones are called Money Lash, and this one is an ultra volume, bold look, full glam, full on. So I think we will try these ones first. So quickly recapping, remember that when you're removing the lashes, to go in at the corner and apply your oil-free makeup remover and go over the lash line to loosen the bond, and then take it off from the outer corner to the inner corner and clean your lashes with an oil-free eye makeup remover, the band, and then put them back in here for safekeeping, and it's up to 25 times you can wear them, remember. So let us get started and get these first ones on. Let me get the glue out of here. Now honestly, these are more dramatic looking than what I thought they would be, so let's see how this goes. Wow, a bit too bold for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's apply the other one for a laugh, okay? This is way too much. Oh my god, I feel like a drag queen. So it is much easier to apply without mascara. I will definitely say that. And my eyelashes are so straight, I have to curl. So to blend the lashes in with your own eyelashes, you know, you're not wearing mascara, you're not curled them. Once these slippery little things, well, these ones are big things, once they're down properly, you know, just curl your own eyelashes with the lashes to, you know, blend in. It's always the same for me. It's always like the inner corners. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I can't help laughing. I absolutely feel like a drag queen. Oh my gosh. I'm not even going to curl my lashes to blend in with these. We're going to take them straight off and try the next style. This is like really too much for me, sorry. So that's your last look at these ones, guys. Now remember, I'm peeling it off like this for the sake of a video, but be careful when you're doing it if you've had them on all day, and I'll clean these after the video, but yeah, make sure you apply over the band with a cotton swab your oil-free eye makeup remover, and then take it off from the outer corner to the inner corner. The next style we're trying is called Peachy. We're feeling peachy, and it's for all eye shapes, medium volume, medium length. I might have to put the ring light on soon, guys. The sun's going down. Oh, that's a much nicer style. Yeah, the other ones were just way too much. I'm just going to put a little bit more glue on. Let me put this other one on quick and then I'll have to fix them. It feels so strange for me not having mascara on. I'm definitely a mascara girl. Oh my gosh, why is this one not? Hold on, guys. Once these are like sticking down and you've managed to get them, you know, in the right, let me just go again. I mean, this one went down real quick, but that's, I reapplied the glue. Let's see if I can get away with this. No, I'm going to have to apply more glue. I want to show you guys, you know, what it looks like properly, not, you know. Patience is a virtue. You know what I always think of when I'm applying lashes? It's so funny. I always think of that movie, Pretty Woman, and she's holding the oyster and it keeps flipping around and she's like, oh, slippery little bugger. This is what this reminds me of. Yes, I'm strange. The weirdest thoughts come to my mind. Maybe if I used my eyelash applicator in the first place, then it would be okay. Okay. Come down a bit better. So these ones are actually much nicer. The Peachy, yeah, medium volume and length. For most eye shapes, I would definitely say these are really nice for hooded eyes. I think I did say to you guys before, I have hooded eyes, so that's why, especially these ones, don't work on hooded eye shapes, because it's all you're seeing is these big black things. It looks actually like black eyeshadow.
and you're taking away the space from your lid. So okay, I definitely like these guys. These are a winner. So this is not feeling peachy. They're called peachy, but I call them I'm feeling peachy. So I definitely like this style. And it would obviously look nicer if... Oh, I won't bother because we've got another one to do, but if you curl your own eyelashes once these are sitting properly, curl your own eyelashes to blend in so that there's not, you know, an obvious line. Oh yeah, look. See the difference now? Wow. Okay guys, I think you can see Peachy's definitely a winner. Yeah, I know this one's not sticking down right yet, but when you curl your own eyelashes, once this one is sitting fine now, once you curl your own eyelashes, once the lashes is sticking down where you want them, and then curl your own eyelashes, yeah, it looks so much better. So this is Peachy, definitely a winner. So let's try. Gosh, I hope this comes off okay now. Please don't do what I'm doing at home. This is just for the video, okay? Take them off your eye makeup remover. The final ones are called Wifie. This is Wifie. Now Wifie is for a cat eye look. Volume, lift to fit for most eye shapes. Okay, so let's try Wifie. I'm going to put a little bit more glue on. Oops. Yeah, I'm putting a bit more on at the end there because this is where I feel it keeps not sticking down. So let's see. Whoop. By the way guys, you can actually cut these at the outer edge if they don't fit. You know, because we all have different eye shape, eye length. Oh, what is wrong with it? Sorry guys, just having a technical difficulty with the outer edge. Okay, now I definitely love these for hooded eyes. Okay, I know I keep going on about hooded eyes, but I have them, and hooded eyes, as we know, are notorious to difficult to work with, be it for eyeshadow, eyeliner. So I'm going to put more. Yes, I'll have to work it with the eye makeup remover tonight, but that's okay. Yeah, don't mind me stretching my eye like that. I'm just so used to it when I apply liner. You have to with hooded eyes, simple. Okay, so
take this off. Let me try and work faster here, because I think that's the problem. I'm not working fast enough to get them down. Okay, for some reason I seem to be much better at doing this eye than the other eye, but okay. But I will say, guys, if you've not seen my review from before, you'll understand why I wanted, you know, ones that were a bit more bold, because the Lovely Lash was just for a really subtle look. So I would definitely say these ones are my favourite. Wifey. I tried once at being a wifey and it never worked out, but at least it works out with the lashes. Excuse my wicked Scottish sense of humour, but that's the way I am. So what I am going to do, I feel like I'm going to keep these ones on for the thumbnail. And I'm going to apply some mascara here. So if you see that in the thumbnail, yeah, don't think I'm crazy. It's just I want to see how it would look with mascara down here, because I feel a bit kind of strange. I feel a bit baldy looking. So I'm going to do that, and I hope that's gave you a better idea of which lashes to pick. So I would definitely say the peachy ones is really nice for a little bit more, you know, volume, a bit more oomph, as I say, than the first ones we tried in the first review. These ones definitely really nice, feeling peachy, but they're really called peachy. Peachy Lash, they're really nice for a daytime look. This one would be gorgeous for an evening look. I mean, you could wear them daytime too, but I'm just saying, because they're full on, like, this would look lovely with cat wing liner, definitely, because this is, you know, the cat eye, more lash shape. So I would definitely say the peachy, the wifey, the money lash. No, that's definitely not me. Maybe that will suit somebody else. I don't like that. To me, that just looks like a drag queen. I really do. That's just too much. And the Lovely Lash was the first ones in the first review, and that's just a very classic, subtle, extremely subtle look, very natural. So I got these three, I don't know if I said, for $24. Always look on the website for any sales they have. You know, you can buy the bundles, etc, etc. I never purchased a little glue because it's, you know, I've still got enough in here to get by. So yeah, I really, really love this one. So that's it from me, guys. I hope that's gave you a bit more ideas on the different styles, and I will see you again in a skincare or a makeup video. Thank you for watching, and adios. Bye.